Welcome to another tutorial on the Easy System Designer. In this video, we will show you how to size a Lenze Smart Motor in the System Designer. The Lenze Smart Motor is designed for the requirements of conveyor applications. So here, let's choose a chain conveyor for this example. Once the chain conveyor is chosen, you click Continue. On this page, you add in the application data. Once this is done, click Continue. In our Motion Designer, you switch the motion type from Operating Mode to Smart Motor. In the Smart Motor mode, you can enter the preset values of the Smart Motor just like in the real Smart Motor app for commissioning. In this example, you want to design a 5-meter-long pallet conveyor that transports a 1,000-kilogram pallet. It moves at a speed of 0.25 meters per second, followed by a creep speed before stopping, and then moves back again. So, here, you put in the maximum speed of 0.25 meters per second. You keep the zero velocity as your stopping speed. You have 0.25 as your maximum speed for fast moving forward. The program has already calculated the minimum speed of the Smart Motor with this maximum speed. So you use 0.05 as your creep speed. When you want to go back again, you add the same values as before, but you enter a minus in front of it. So minus 0.25 as a fast backward speed, and minus 0.05 as your creep speed moving backwards. Now you have entered all the values for the motion design of the Smart Motor. Press Apply Changes and they are saved. Now to the motion profile. You start out by editing the first segment, which is highlighted here. You go with Velocity 2, which is fast moving forward, and you want to do 18 seconds here, a little under the 20 seconds, as you also have ramps. And you want to add the 1,000 kilograms of the pallet. And let's name it Fast Forward. You apply the changes or press Enter. Click on the Settings button to show the path in the diagram. You can then see that you have now reached close to the 5 meters as your conveyor is long. You now want to add a new segment. You want to do creep speed for 1 second. So that was Velocity 3. This is your creep speed moving forward. You still have 1,000 kilograms, and that is not fast, but slow forward. You then press Add a new segment, and you have it up here in the diagram. Now you want to add a pause into. That is Velocity 1, which was 0 meters per second, and you add a new segment. That, of course, should be named Pause, and press Enter. Now you want to move back again. Therefore, you take the negative values, so Velocity 4. You go with 18 seconds again, keep the 1,000 kilograms, and add a new segment. That, of course, is called Fast Back. Enter. Now you want to add our creep speed going back, which was Velocity 5, again for 1 second. Keep the 1,000 kilogram and name it Slow Back. You now add that as a new segment. So that's it. You end the entire movement sequence with a pause. The System Designer always considers the entire movement as a continuous loop. Let's keep it at 1 second as well. Call it Pause. And you add a new segment. Now your motion profile is done and you can continue further on. Now you can see the determined requirements of the application and you continue over to the pre-selection. Here, at the motor pre-selection, you select the Lenze Smart Motor, which automatically puts it to no inverter. You click Continue, and the Easy System Designer will automatically find the best suited smart motor for this application. Feel free to watch our other videos to get the most out of Easy System Designer.